Welcome, today I'm showing you how to turn off Hey Google option into a Samsung Galaxy M23. First of all, open your Google application, and then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so tap it and choose settings. Now go into voice option and here choose voice match. And now, how you can see here, we got Hey Google option, so this position of switcher it's activate this option. So need tap one more time and click OK, and now we disabled our Hey Google option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.